Hey y'all, so something pretty cool happened. Online Labels reached out to me, onlinelabels.com. You all love their sticker paper, love their label paper. If you hasn't used it before, I suggest you do. And told me that they now have pre-printed stickers, labels, different things for different items so that you can actually design a party around the pre-printed stickers and labels instead of trying to think of a design. I love the safari theme with the gold foil, the green background, the animals, and it takes the guesswork out of designing for a party. If you don't know where to start, or if you just want some things to complement it with like your party theme without having to design everything, this is a great way to begin. I actually picked up these round tags, like they're stickers, but I decided to make tags with them, and I used some green full cardstock, some brown glitter cardstock, got some green ribbon, and my precision scissors from We Are Memory Keepers to make some tags for bath bomb boxes, basically favorite boxes. I cut the boxes out on my Cricut, cut the circles out on my Cricut, and I got to crafting. You can see the stickers there, pretty easy to use. Just really peel, stick. I've already done a few tags, but I wanted to show you guys how to really create a party around this design without needing to do too much or really think too hard. Don't you love it when you don't have to think hard? Make life easier, work smarter, not harder. So let's go ahead and make our favorite boxes. I just grabbed a hole punch from the house. You can cut circles, like holes with the Cricut once you do the tags, but I also have a We Are Memory Keepers like crop it out. You can do whatever you want to do. I just grabbed a hole punch that was nearby. I'm going to make the holes a little bigger because I used a smaller hole punch first, and I'm going to make them bigger. You see I have 3 because I'm actually going to use the back of that small one to put the sticker on there. It fits perfectly. They're about 2 inches. And watch me work. Yes, go on there. So lovely because this is going to be like a layer tag with 3 different like pieces of cardstock. So pretty simple, pretty easy. There we go. Put my hole in to match between the sticker paper and also the cardstock. Now line it up, and I'm going to put some ribbon on there. And my bows didn't come out too great, but do what you want to do, or buy some. I'm working smarter, not harder, right? Buy some bows, put those on there, hot glue them, do whatever you want to do to make your life easy. And what I did was I already put a hole through the box, so I'm just going to run that ribbon through that hole in the box. Bam, bam, boom. Make my life so easy. I love this because sometimes it's so frustrating when you're trying to figure out a party theme, a design, and that design part is what takes hours. These boxes from Cricut are nice and easy to make too. I'll drop the project below. You'll just need a scoring tool or a scoring stylus. All right, so we got a few holes in there, but guess what? It's going to work. Just make sure when you're crafting, it doesn't always have to be perfect, guys. Keep going to the end. See how it goes. Don't stop and start. Because sometimes what you'll find is you're the one who notices stuff. Other people don't notice everything that you see, and it could come together so well. So I'm going to add all these tags to that ribbon, just kind of stringing it through. And watch me work, y'all. Make a bow as best as you can. This bow was a little wrong, but we got it together off screen. All right, y'all see me still struggling a bit with my bow, but don't worry, I pulled it together. And one of the things I do love is a fork bow. I didn't do that for this one, but Google that tutorial. It's very helpful, and I love doing fork bows to make perfect bows. But guys, this is real life crafting, not a lot of YouTube video edits. Y'all not going to see things perfect over here because this is real life. And just like you struggle, I struggle with things. So yeah, that's sad, but we fixed it offline. Real life crafting, y'all. Get it together. So I'm going to fill this box up with some nice bath bombs. You can find some larger ones if you want. I don't know, whatever size you prefer. Fill it with candy, trinkets, anything to say thank you to your guests for coming. Okay, so let's go ahead and just kind of open this package. Drop these in there. There's only 3. So you could make a bigger box, smaller box. Just depends on what you want to put in there. I'm just going to go ahead and drop the 3 bath bombs into this box. Of course, for a party. You may also want to add some like filler or something like that. I'm not sure. Just use your imagination. I'm working a little smarter, not harder here. Look, how cute is that? But let's not forget what else we have. Because just like I said, we can create a whole party around these stickers. There's more labels. They have wine bottle labels. And these wine bottle labels also match the theme. They're another thank you that you can send your guest off with. Let them have a little pamper day with some wine bottles and some bath bombs. So check these out. A whole 8.5 by 11 sheet. You don't have to print anything at home, y'all. You don't have to do anything. Literally stickers. Labels peel off. I got these barefoot mini bottles from the grocery store. Get whatever you think will be great for your guests. Champagne bottles. Maybe if you have champagne party poppers that you wanted to put these stickers on. So easy. So great. Stick it on there and go. Stick it on there. Make it nice and straight. Best as you can get it. Get those bubbles out. Again, this is not perfect crafting. This is real life everyday crafting with Alicia Desiree. Look at that, beautiful. Two things that go so well with the theme, perfectly matched, perfectly paired. You could glue that down if you want. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Let me show you the finished product because of course you want to add some centerpieces or something to your project, right? For the setup, I just added some 2 feet giraffes, some monstera leaves, a little backdrop to give a visual. Thank you, Online Labels, for sponsoring this video. I hope y'all loved it. Links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.